Alright guys, what we have in front of us is the Southern Thai curry with pork ribs. It's freaking spicy.
It's really flavorful. Now you can already tell how flavorful it's gonna be because there's not much liquid in this curry.
I'll grab some of these. 2 pieces. It's okay. Pork, kaffir lime, rice. So spicy. Ready? Wow. The flavor is infused into the pork bone. That flavor. Wow.
Alright guys, I'm going in. I got a kaffir lime leaf here. Okay. Y'all at home got smell-o-vision? Because this smells so good. Alright, ready? That's really good and spicy. Yes, that's all I have to say.
Alright, well thank you for watching. We hope you like this curry. If you can eat really spicy food, if you like Thai spicy, here it is. Like you need to make this because this is...
It's definitely...
Yeah.
Well guys, here's another inspiration for a potluck dinner.
Or if you hate someone at a potluck and you...
Well, actually this is if you love somebody, because I would love to get this.
No, like make something like really spicy, like burn them, because this is like ass burning spicy.
If you guys are big curry lovers and you like things that are packed with flavor and heat, this is the curry for you. Okay? So until next time guys, bye! Y'all, that curry was so spicy, I'm gonna have to run to the bathroom right now.
Well, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.